Let's take one more exercise in SolidWorks. Exercise number 195. Note all dimensions are in millimeters. Then fillets are 3 millimeters unless otherwise specified. Material alloy steel. Now here we have top view and right view. So let's check top view. You will see this outer flange, radius 75. This is a kind of oblong body, and you will see the center distance for this oblong body. You will see this center line is going to meet. Look, the center line. So 30 30, this is going to be center of this body, from this center to this center. If you see in view, 60 millimeter, and thickness you will see here 16 millimeter. Okay, then there is a 6 number of holes. See, 6 number of 12 diameter throughout hole. See here, and the radius for this 64 millimeter. Now first you have to choose a proper way, because I want to keep flange as bottom. So select top plane, sketch. Now activate here. Now we have to decide the origin point location. So I'll try to keep at center of the body. So here I am going to choose center point straight slot, and I am going to draw vertical. Drag, press escape key to out. Smart dimension. Now these center distance 30 plus 30, 60. Radius 75. Now go to feature and activate extruded boss base feature. Now look here. Keep start condition same, end condition direction 1 blind, and thickness 16 millimeter. See, this is moving upside. It's okay. Now select this face, sketch. Now again activate the same center point straight slot. Press escape key to out. Now select this one, hold shift key and select this outer one, and make one relation concentric. See, now this radius going to be 64 millimeter. Okay, now define this, select all, and here choose for construction. Okay, now activate here circle, and let me drop here, drag 12 millimeter. Okay, now just place circle at 6 location. I'm not going to use circular pattern because it creates problem, because this is not a perfect shape. Okay, now select, now hold shift key, select all the circles, and define one. And if you leave shift key, you will see this pop up, and at side you will see make relations equal. Say okay. Look, go to feature and activate extruded cut. Now by default system took this all. Keep end condition blind towards, even better to keep through all. Say okay, and it will cut up to through all. At bottom 76 radius. This is going to be actually diameter. You will see from top side, you will see one dotted line. See, these radius 38 millimeter, and this is going to extrude up to from here to here. What is the dimension? 121 overall, and this flange depth 25. So if you subtract 128, 121 minus 25 is going to be 96 millimeters. See, then we will add this upper flange. See, upper flange. This upper flange, you will see this outer flange. This radius 45. Okay, and depth here shown 25. So let's do this. Select this face, sketch. Now activate circle and draw 76, enter. Escape key to out, 76. Select this outer one and this one and make relation concentric. Okay, extrude. Now here distance 121 minus 25, 95, say okay, 96 actually. Select this face, sketch. Now again I am going to select here center point straight slot. Now okay, escape key to out and activate smart dimension, and the radius according to our drawing it's going to be 45. And one more important relation, hold shift key, select this outer edge and this outer edge, make relation concentric. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Extrude. And here depth 25 millimeters shown. Say okay. Now come again. You will see at bottom 50 millimeter. This is actually a rib. If you see in top view, you will see this 10 millimeter rib. You will see this end of this ship. It's very small, but you will see with flange, with a corner fillet. See up to here. So this is a kind of flange, 10 millimeter. Then after this there is one more body, and this is going to up to this 29 millimeter, and you will see this flange extend up to here. And those, if you clearly check, this is the dotted line, this is the body. See, this is going to attach with this outer body, which is radius 38. So remember this 50 millimeter, this rib 29 millimeter up to height, and this one second radius 38. Okay, so let me create one plane. Select this face, plane. Okay, now here put 29 millimeter. Okay, select plane and sketch. Now again activate center point straight slot. Escape key to out, smart dimension, and this is also radius 38. Now again let's select both the edges, concentric relation. Okay, now extrude. Now here select up to next, direction 1. Next means it is moving towards this direction, and the next this face. See, click and hide plane. Now select this face, sketch. Now first I am going to change hidden line visible. Now here let me choose, okay, let's say corner rectangle. Okay, now let's do one thing. Hold shift key, select this endpoint and this one, coincide. Okay, smart dimension, depth or thickness 10 millimeter, and distance from the center point. Hold shift key and select this outer surface. Make sure you hold shift key, then you will get the distance from outer sharp edge, 50 millimeter. This is important distance. Don't take from upper side. Look, 50 millimeter, and this is located at center. Extrude. Now, okay, due to this body, this is not going to be choose. So I am going to select up to surface and select this surface. And see, this is extrude up to this surface. Make sure you merge result. Okay. Look. You will see at top there is a cutout. Before going to take cut out, we have to make these flange. See, 50 millimeter, corner radius 12, inner diameter 10. These are we will make later, but first we will make this, and distance 30 millimeter from above, and this is located at center. And we have to see here, this is at both side. Center distance 104. So first we have to create a plane. Right plane, plane, and here 104 divided by 2. See, okay. Select the plane, sketch. Now let me do one thing, make one center line. This is important. Now select the center point of this line, hold shift key and origin point and make vertical relation. Now let me define circle. Okay. Now select both the circles equal. Again activate line tool. Click and start and move cursor, and when you see tangent relation, click and exit. Again line, move, escape key to out. Mirror entity. Now here select these two lines. Make sure we selected copy, mirror about. This is our reference line. Okay. Smart dimension. Let me define this. Diameter 50. Now these radius 12 millimeter. So 12 into 2, 24 diameter, and center distance 30 plus 30, 60 millimeter, and this is distance from outer edge 30 millimeter. Look, this is it seems fully defined. Trim entity, power trim. Just press and hold left mouse and drag over the line which you want to trim. Press, hold and drag. Leave. Again press, hold and drag. Leave. Now we have one complete profile. Extrude. Now change direction. So here flip direction. Up to next. Up to next, this is our body, up and down, so it will move up to this surface. Hide plane. Look. Now let's mirror. Reference plane, drop down, right plane, and feature to mirror. Directly select this. Okay. Look here. Now you will see from upper side 40 millimeter, 26 radius, and this is also located at the center point. You will see a dotted line. This is a kind of cutout inside. This is the depth, inside depth. So let's do this. 40 millimeter, 26 radius, and the depth here 58 millimeter. Sketch. Let me do one thing. I am going to make circle. 26 radius, so diameter going to be 52. Make relation concentric. Undo. Make relation equal. Then press and hold shift key, select these two edges, concentric. Similarly for other side. Concentric. Activate line tool. Draw one line. Now I am going to draw one center line for reference purpose. Make sure it is vertical. Now select both the lines and click mirror entities. See, this is directly mirror. Trim entities, power trim, press and hold left mouse and drag. Okay. Now let's define the center distance, 40 millimeter. Okay, this is unbalanced. So let's define half of the 40. 40 divided by 2. It's 20. Now this is balanced. This is fully defined. Is activate extruded cut feature. Now depth is not through all. Keep end condition blind, and depth according to our drawing it's 58 millimeter. Say okay. See here. Select this face. Create a sketch. Now here we have one throughout hole. So I am going to create one hole, and this diameter was 30 millimeter. Select this outer edge, this one, concentric relation. This is fully defined sketch. Again activate extruded cut, and this time I am going to choose through all. See here, okay. That's it. Now at bottom we need to make some cutout. You will see here inside there is a hole 25. See? Then there is a dotted line, one more hole. Then one more dotted line. This is one more hole. Okay, let's 35 radius shown here. See dotted line. This is the line for these holes. These hole location where you will find, okay, see here these holes, 16 depth, and you will see here 6 number of hole, 10 diameter, 16 depth. This is a kind of hole. So let's make those hole. Center point is straight slot. Concentric relation. Now select this and define for construction and radius. Now this radius is 35 millimeter. See? Now exit. Now go to hole wizard. Now select here hole. See, this third option is hole. Standard metric, drill size, and here I am going to define 10 millimeter, even though show custom and change from here. Depth 16 millimeter, fine. Okay, rest I am going to choose depth up to shoulder. Position. Now you have to choose any surface, so I am going to select this. Now see, this is activated. Just place, click and place. Click and place. Press escape key to out and just rotate, and you will see the preview. Look, the hole is created. Hide. Look, at bottom there is one cutout. See this diameter 20 depth, 6 millimeter depth, 30 millimeter this diameter, and this diameter 45, and the outer one 76, 6 millimeter from here, and this diameter you will see from top 25. So let's make those first. Right plane, sketch. I am going to choose this one. Okay, now you will see dotted line, center line. Just create one center line. connect with this and connect up to here. Press escape key to out and do one thing, select these lines, uncheck construction, this should be, and this one keep as a construction line so that we will get diameter. Okay, let me define this diameter. If move cursor here, 76. $45, $30, and this is going to be $25. Okay, select this one, press escape key, 6 millimeter. Okay, come down, 20. This is also going to be 6 millimeter. Okay, still there is one defined. This is lies at center. So how from center to this distance, 30 millimeter. Look, see this, it seems fully defined sketch. Okay, now activate revolve cut. Now see, due to this construction line, this is open profile, so it is asking you, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. If you say yes, axis of revolution, this axis already detected by system, and keep 360-degree cut. I am going to show you. Okay, see the proof. Okay, if I am going to say right plane, section view. Okay, and look, this is our view. See, now again on the similar way, there is one more cutout, 16 depth and diameter 25. See here. Then we will make these bodies. See, 30 diameter and 47 millimeter from this end. So 47 plus 30 is going to be 77 millimeter from center in both sides. See here, and there is a hole, and this hole going to cut up to this. So hole we can directly make from here. Sketch, activate circle, 25, enter. Press escape key to out and select this, hold shift key, concentric relation. See, now activate extruded cut feature. Now see, this is moving towards downward direction. Keep blind and depth register 16 millimeter. See the preview. Okay, let's create one plane. Right plane, plane. Now first reference plane we choose front plane, and here we put dimension 47 plus 30. Okay, now select the plane, sketch. Now make one circle here and the diameter 30, enter. Press escape key to out, and center distance from outer edge is 71 millimeter according to drawing. Vertical. Now see, extrude. This is moving wrong direction. Change direction, and here choose up to next. This next is this circular face. Okay, and here we go. Hide. Now it's easy for us to, now I want to mirror this. Okay, before going to mirror, I am going to make hole here. Okay, let's make a hole. Drill size is 10. Condition I am going to choose up to next. Position, select this face and move cursor and keep cursor outside edge. You will see center point. Just click and place, press escape key to out. Just check the preview. Say okay. Now look, the hole is created up to end. Now the same way we have to create. Now let me choose mirror, reference plane, front plane, and feature to mirror. Select this one and select the hole also. say OK. Now look, now it's time to choose right plane and section view. OK. Now look how our holes are created inside. See. Okay, now let's check what else balance. Okay, there is a corner radius R5 and R5, and rest all R3. See, this have corner, these corners have, and see, these corners also have. See here. Fillet type constant size, fillet parameter symmetric, and radius I am going to keep 5 millimeter, and here I have to apply to this 5 millimeter. Select this corner and this corner. Only these corner have 5 millimeter radius. Okay. Fillet constant size, this time 3 millimeter, and first I am going to choose vertical edges, so that vertical edges makes you a better. Now select these corners, delete. Let's make in second round. Now same thing. Now if I am going to choose, see this, due to this vertical circular reference, this is going to take all the edges together. Now at bottom also, if I am going to choose any one, see, this took all the shapes. Select this corner and this corner. Say OK. I am going to on real view. Material, right click, edit material. From here you can apply alloy steel. See, this is alloy steel. Apply. You will see all the properties of material. Close. And for a look, you can change appearance and scene decal. Go to appearance, normal, and here one option called edit appearance. Now from here I can change the color. Okay. Look. Now here we forget to add hole, and that is 10 millimeter. Okay, see, there is a hole 10 millimeter, and this hole depth you will see here 22 millimeter. R10. So we will let mirror first. We will go to hole wizard. Hole metric, standard metric, drill size 10 millimeter, and depth here we need to define 22 millimeter up to shoulder. Position. Now select this face, move cursor. If you keep on edge, you will see center point. Just click and place at center point. Press escape key to out. See, this is not up to through all. Okay. Look. Right plane, mirror. Reference plane selected, feature to mirror. Let me choose this. Okay. See. I hope you like. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.